In the heart of the Moonlit Woods, Nala, an enchanting nightingale, heard whispers of a legendary melody hidden deep within the forest. She was determined to find it, believing that the song held the power to unite all creatures. As she ventured past glowing mushrooms and shimmering streams, she met Misty the moth, who offered guidance through the starlit paths. Together they faced the Thunderbird, the protector of the melody, learning that only a heart full of kindness could release the melody's magic. Embracing courage and kindness, Nala sang her song, awakening the nurturing energy of the woods, and for the first time the forest harmonized in a symphony of unity and friendship.